Okay, my friends, we're going to get into a little bit of a harder problem now. We're basically got this meeting problem where we want to find when these two equations intersect with each other. Let f of x equals 2x minus 3 and g of x. Use the equations to answer the following questions. Determine g of x equals f of x on the graph. We want to basically, we're on the graph where they equal to. Well, they're equal to 2 at 2 and they're equal to at 3. I think we did the one already up above. It was in beginning. And now we want to try to do it with the actual equation. So we're going to set these up and we're going to set them up like this. We're going to basically take the two equations and set them equal to each other. Bam, just like that, guys. Now we want to solve this, right? Remember, our general rule of thumb when we solve equations is we don't want anything on the bottom. So let's multiply both sides by x minus 4 here and x minus 4 here. I'm going to write it very small, like such. I'm going to go ahead and put a set of parentheses over here, okay? Now what are we going to get? Well, these are going to cancel, and I got right here x minus 4, 2x minus 3 is equal to negative 2. We got to multiply this out. So now we got to distribute this out. So we're going to get x times 2x is 2x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. And negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12 is equal to negative 2. Now, we want to simplify this down. Notice that we have a x squared, we have x's and then numbers. So this for me tells me it looks like general form of a quadratic, ax squared plus bx plus c. And we want to use the quadratic formula probably to solve this. But remember, we always want to equal it to 0 to use the formula, which is why we're going to add 2 to both sides so that we can get everything all on the same side. So we're going to get 2x squared. Negative 3x minus 8x is negative 11x. Bam. 12 plus 2 is 14. So positive 14 is equal to 0. Awesome. Now that we have this set up, my friends, what we're going to do now is label our A, B, C, and then we'll use our formula. So A is going to equal 2. B is going to equal negative 11. And C is going to equal 14. Now let's set up our formula. If you need help with the quadratic formula, it is under Q2. Go to our playlist and look for the one that says quadratic formula. I'll go through this kind of quickly. We're going to get x is equal to negative b. Our b value is negative 11 plus or minus the square root of b squared. So negative 11 squared minus 4ac. Well, our a value is 2. So 4 times 2. And then the c value, which is 14. And this is all divided by 2a, so 2 times 2. Bam. Now we can use the formula to get this finished off. Unfortunately, I don't have any of my equipment with me and I'm running out of space, so we're going to leave it off here. But if you do it correctly, we should get x equals 2 and x equals 3. Again, if you want to see how to finish this off right here, go to our playlist and hit Q2. I already got it set for you, all right?